It is already July, and if we go by the usual timeline of Apple, then the company may launch the new iPhone 13 series in the first week of September. There are already a lot of leaks and rumors doing rounds on the internet regarding the expected prices, features, and specifications of the new iPhone models. So in this video, I will tell you about the things that you can expect in the new iPhone 13 series. Hi, you're watching India Today Tech. I am Pavni Jain, and today I will tell you about the expected prices, features, and specifications of the iPhone 13 series. Let's get started. Last year, Apple had launched 4 phones as part of the iPhone 12 series, and the company may follow the similar strategy this year as well. iPhone 13 series can get 4 phones, and these are iPhone 13, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13 Pro, and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The company has already begun the production of these smartphones. So, you know what? Users shouldn't expect something really major happening on the new iPhone models, but you can always expect a little minor changes or improvements on the devices. What? That's not true. How can I even say that? It's a sin. So there will be 2 major upgrades on the new iPhone 13 series models, and these are related to hardware as well as software. Yes, iPhone 13 series will get to see the new A15 Bionic chipset, which will be based on 5 nanometer manufacturing process, and in terms of the software, it will come up with company's next generation operating system, which is going to be iOS 15. As far as the design is concerned, the iPhone 13 series may look identical to the current generation iPhones. However, the new phones are expected to arrive with a smaller notch on the display. Apple is set to achieve this by placing the infrared flood illuminator, sensor, and dot projector in a single module. iPhone 13 series is expected to feature Pro Motion display, which will double the refresh rate from 60Hz to 120Hz. So now higher the refresh rate, the smoother animations will appear, and there will be faster scrolling as well. You talk about the iPhones and you do not mention cameras. Well, that's something next to impossible. So the iPhone 13 series will get improved cameras. For the non-Pro models, the first thing that you will notice is the camera layout. You will get 2 cameras itself inside the square camera module, but they will be placed diagonally instead of being aligned in the same line. This can be done to reposition the flash in order to minimize the lens flare. For Pro models, the company may extend the digital zoom from 2x to 2.5x. Apple may also bring the LiDAR technology exclusively to iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. Other than this, the improved cameras could mean that the iPhone 13 series will get sensor shift image stabilization on all the devices. This feature will help with the low light camera performance also in order to reduce some camera shakes. Apple has certainly gotten in the habit of playing around with colors. There are several reports that suggest that the company will introduce at least one unique color variant with the upcoming iPhone models. It can be as quirky as color orange or maybe as subtle as matte black. But we will leave that on the company for now. We will know it once they will officially unveil it. Users should expect a larger battery packed in the upcoming phones in comparison to last year's iPhones. In fact, reports suggest that the battery capacity of the iPhone 13 series will be increased by 15% in general. Speaking for the battery reminds me of the wireless MagSafe, which will come with stronger magnets this time. A lot of iPhone 12 series users complained about dispositioning of the MagSafe wallet when they just even grip the device. Some reports also hint towards the inclusion of a Touch ID based in-display fingerprint sensor. Additionally, we may also see the always-on display on the upcoming iPhone 13 models, which is likely to show the clock, battery charge, and notifications. As for the prices, it is said that iPhone fans should expect the price of the iPhone 13 series models similar to last year's iPhone 12 models. Well, that's all for today's video. We told you everything we knew about the forthcoming iPhone 13 series phones, be it its price, features, or specifications. If you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe to India Today Tech YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get notified every time we upload new video. Thanks for watching this one.